Hello, everybody. What's going on? What's happening, guys? Reza is here. Today is March 10, 2025. One of the craziest day in the market I've seen in my life. SPY gap down today, and then almost minus 3%, and everything was red. Okay. The reason behind, maybe there are a lot of reasons. Some of them maybe I know, some of them I don't have any idea. But on March 6th, on this X account on Usual Whales, there was a breaking. Trump has just said he's not looking at the stock market. Okay. So what he's doing with tariff is on, tariff is off, on and off again for second time. So there's a huge uncertainty stock market, and there's a flow of money from United States to China to Europe to bonds, and stock market is red. Okay. And there was another tweet from a Trade the Matrix. So he's just posted a screenshot from another guy, Max Brown. He said, Trump wants to crash the stock market. The US government has to refinance $7 trillion of debt in the next 6 months. There is no way Trump wants to refinance it at current 10 years yield. This is why he's crashing the stock market and pumping the bonds prices. Okay, anyway, I don't have any idea, but this is happening. Stock market crashed today. Okay. And SPY, you can see just crushing, just the trend day, selling pressure, pulling a lot. And then another observation, which I repeated many times, is a reaction to exponential moving average 50 days, which is a blue line. You can see that. So in a SPY chart, I always show VWAP and also exponential moving average. And that was really huge crush today. And near the close, we had a little bounce, but it cannot reach to the VWAP. Okay. And also semis, NVDA was red. It reached almost 100. And PLTR. Okay, PLTR. If you look at the daily, it almost destroyed. I mean, in just a few days, stock goes in steps and flushed in elevators, right? You can see that in just a couple of days, flushed to 72. Just a little bit close to half, right? One thing I really like to mention is, if you want to trade, so let's say PLTR, there are a bunch of other products which you can focus, right? Like PTIR, which is 2x long, right? PLTU, again, 2x, and also PLTD. PLTD, which is 1x short. I mean, instead of shorting the stock, you can buy PLTD, right? Also, Bitcoin basket crushed again today. And so MSTR, if you look at the MSTR, just, in November, it just a huge rally to 543, and then after that, it just flushed. And so again, for MSTR, you can trade MSTZ, right? MSTZ is inverse of MSTR. I mean, again, it's instead of shorting MSTR, you can buy MSTZ. Also, we have MSTX, we have MSTU. For SMCI, I think we have SMCX. Yes, which is 2x long SMCI. And SMCL, again, which is 2x SMCI. We have for NVDL, I think NVDL, yes, which is 2x long NVDA. Okay, the other vehicle, which I'm really interested focusing on, and maybe the main focus for me, is swinging option, right? So imagine if you are bearish on Bitcoin or MSTR, so you can buy put option and swing, right? Swing it, right? So I'm gonna show you the possibilities, right? So this one is MSTR put option, strike price 212, right? And expiration date is by the end of the week, March 14. And if you're smart enough and buy, put option last week on Friday or Thursday, you can see 1 to 8, right? It's huge. Again, it does not have volume. It's not a sizable trade, but just the possibility. I mean, it's really good vehicle. If we have a direction, right? Okay, what we have today for small cap, we had TRVI today. TRVI. If I show you TRVI, yes. So in small cap land, I can feel a little bit, weakness, right? In February, that was stronger. So specifically when I saw a move pre-market, there was a follow through, right? But now, yes, we have some, move, but it's just flushed at open. But we had TRVI and we have SNOA, right? SNOA, that was another one, which I had a small trade on SNOA. That was nothing. But there was another small cap. Other than that, we had DWTX, and also we had GV. Okay, nobody look at GV, but GV had a huge sell-off today after 2 days crazy 2 days or 3 days run. But today That was a huge sell-off. I just missed that. I mean, that was on my radar, but today that was so crazy. I missed that. Okay, anyway. I think that we had a bounce this week, but it doesn't mean that we can have an all-time high in the SPY again. I think we might have a bounce, but again flushed again. And to me, it continues until we have a headline, or I don't know, we have a press release, or we have something very strong that encourage buyers to come back, right? And maybe buying put option is a good idea for now. That's it. That's my observation for today. And again, specifically, I'm focusing on swinging options. And have a great day. And goodbye.